Good morning, team. Welcome to today's ACS team update going over the Starlink processes. Let's jump into it. Here are the three mounts we are able to order from Dish: the wall mount, the pipe adapter, which works with our masts, and the pivot mount. As of this video, all three of these are still on strict allocation, so please continue to prioritize installing the kickstand mount that is included in the customer's kit. When you first arrive at a Starlink job, be sure to take a picture of the customer's account screen. If you need to enter the customer's account number into OSS, you can easily open that picture on your phone, then press to highlight, copy, and paste the account number into OSS. The account number needs to be entered exactly as it appears in the Starlink app, including the dashes. In OSS, click the On Tech Serial Numbers button, then paste the account number into the appropriate field. Be sure to enter the account number starting with ACC, not the subscription number. Please note, failure to enter the correct account number will result in Dish not paying for the job. Here are examples of the photos you will need to upload to OSS before closing the job. The completed Starlink installation location must show the entire antenna, the entire mount, and the mounting surface. You'll also upload a screenshot of the speed test conducted through the Starlink app, as well as a screenshot of the Clearview screen from the Starlink app. Please note, the Clearview screen is not the same as the View Obstructions screen. Quick tip: if OSS does not allow you to upload the image because it's too large, take a screenshot of that picture to reduce the image's size. Just like with Dish jobs, anything installed off of your truck for Starlink jobs must be added to the equipment list. To add a mount or the 45-meter cable, use the Starlink equipment type dropdown. If you sold and installed a Google 6E router, use the direct-to-consumer equipment type dropdown. Failure to do this will result in an equipment charge, as Dish will not reimburse for items not added to the equipment list. Starlink closing notes should include, but are not limited to, where the antenna was mounted and what hardware was used, for example, kickstand or mount used off of the vehicle. Any other hardware used off of the vehicle, like the 45-meter cable. Confirmation of devices connected, like primary phone and hopper if applicable. If the customer does have a hopper and the hopper is connected, please be sure to include the hopper connectivity code in your notes. Also, your notes should include any sales made and the amount charged. For example, quote, charged customer for 2 wall fishes for $130.24, end quote. Lastly, your notes should also include customer education provided and who the survey and sales were discussed with. When processing Starlink sales, please note, the OSS store for Starlink is different than the Smart Home store for Dish. Please watch the 3-minute OSS Tool overview video on Compass to understand the steps to follow. We've included that link in this video's description. When selling product to Starlink customers on OSS, it will ask you to select the date of installation. Make sure you click Install Today to ensure proper payment. In the video, it discusses entering the customer's information. Make sure to copy-paste exactly what OSS has listed to ensure proper payment. Regarding wallfish sales, first, set the expectation with the customer that you are installing what came in their Starlink kit. This is what is included in their free installation. If the customer would like a roof mount, a 45-meter cable, or anything else that isn't included in their free installation of their kit, quote them the cost for that extra work. If the customer declines the charge, you can still proceed with installing what was included in their Starlink kit. If the customer is still unhappy, you can reiterate what is and what is not included in their free installation, but then offer to waive the fee as a one-time courtesy to the customer to ensure the job is completed. Final note, think of the wallfish as a wire management. It's a sales item that allows you to charge for extra work outside of the standard job and pays $25 per wallfish sold. And that's all we have for you today, team. As always, thank you all for everything that you do.